Hello friends, this is Bhautosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. Today's session we will learn about three DAX functions: Max, Max A and Max X. In my previous videos we covered about count functions. If any one of you have not seen that video, I will request you to see and learn about how you can use count functions in Power BI project. But today we'll focus on these three functions: Max, Max A and Max X. As per the definition, Maxx returns the largest numeric value in a column. It considers numbers and dates. Ignore empty cells, logical values, and text. Whereas in Maxx A, it does the same function as Maxx, but it also considers logical values such as true and false. So the rows that evaluate to true count as 1 and rows that evaluate to false count as 0. Next is max x function. It evaluates an expression for each row of a table and returns the largest numeric value. So here you are giving condition or you are also filtering. You can use the filter option to if you want to select any particular rows to be filtered, and based on that row if you want to know the high, if you want to return the numeric value or the largest numeric value, you can use max x function. So let us try with an example so that you can able to understand these three functions. So I'm just straight away going to Power BI desktop. Here you can see I have already loaded the data, and there are four columns: product name, status, sum of quantity, and sum of sales. And this you cannot consider now. I will explain you this column we have created later. So as of now you could just check with these four columns, and based on this four column I am going to show you the difference between max A and max X. So first thing is max. So as I said, max is, it calculate or it shows the highest number within any particular column. So it shows the largest value in a column, right? So I have used the function here. If you go here, max, so to use the function you have to use max bracket c1. C1 is nothing but the table name, and within that table name sales is the column name. So I am going to find in this column, sales column, who is the largest, means what is the largest sales value in this particular column. So based on this formula you can able to see here one 706.18 is the largest value, right? So this is the use of the max function. Now let us try the same in max, or let us try the same function in this status column. So what we have in status column, we have boolean true or false. So now question is, will it work? So let us try with the same function. What is saying? Something wrong with the one of mode fields. If you click over here, it is showing the function max cannot work with values of type boolean. So if you have boolean in any columns, it will not work. In that case, we are going to use, instead of max a function. So when you are using max a functions, the column will show either 1 or 0 value. Now let us use the max x functions, and this is the max x function I have used. So what I have done is I have filtered based on certain condition. So I want the quantity or the largest quantity where the status is true. So if you see here, I have used the filter option, max of filter or max x of filter. C to 1 is table name and status equal to true. The first thing I have done is I have selected wherever there is a true in the status, and within that I want the largest number or the largest quantity. It means wherever there is a true, it will select first, and out of that true, it will compare with this column, and which is the largest among that, it will show. So if you can see 7, because for every true it will also compare here and it will show the largest value here. So 7 is the largest value out of all this, wherever there is a true status. So that is the use of max x function, where you are using filter option. So this is how you can able to understand what is max a and max x function. If you have any queries regarding this function, you can give the comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.